The letter had been in the drawer for 12 years. Jonathan knew exactly where it was. Second drawer from the top, right side. Beneath old documents. Beneath a broken watch. He had never opened it, not because he didn't want to, but because some pain feels safer untouched. That morning, the house was unusually quiet. No television humming, no birds outside. Even the wind had decided not to disturb the silence. The house felt old now, smaller, as if it had shrunk after losing the people who filled it with life. Jonathan stood in the doorway of his childhood bedroom. The walls still carried marks from old posters. The air smelled like dust and forgotten summers. This was where he learned happiness and loss. He hadn't planned to open the drawer that day. Grief doesn't ask for permission. It arrives quietly and waits. Jonathan pulled the drawer open. There it was. The envelope, yellowed with age, his name, written in his mother's handwriting. My dear Jonathan, if you're reading this. His vision blurred immediately. He remembered her struggling to say goodbye. I know you think I left too soon. Late nights, birthdays, silent questions. You didn't. I stayed longer than I should have because of you. Kitchen memories, forced smiles, hair brushing, quiet humming. You were never a burden. You were my strength. Life will try to harden you. Sunlight slipped through the curtains. Strong men cry too. And Jonathan finally broke down. Grief doesn't run on a schedule. Look for me in small things. Rain, sunlight, still moments. I'll be there. Jonathan placed the letter back in the drawer and stepped outside into the light. Understanding at last. That love doesn't disappear. It only changes shape.